Another way we interact with versions within the Sound Credit portal is through the Playbar in the bottom left. You can see this little button that has the version number of the file that you're playing. By default, when you click play within the Sound Credit portal, it plays the active version. However, you can quickly compare versions by using the version button within the Playbar. One thing to note about this feature is that selecting a version within the Playbar does not make that version active. It is simply a way for you to quickly compare between versions. As an example, I have version 1 playing right now on Tidal Waves, but if you select the version button on that same song, you see that version 3 is what is currently active. Once again, in summary, the button at the bottom left right here is simply a great way for you to quickly compare between different versions of a song without activating it.